Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
So, how was your day today?
It was good.
What did you do?
I had breakfast, lunch, and then I cleaned my room.
Mhm.
And I watched some videos on YouTube, and that's all.
Okay, well, that sounds like a relaxing day.
Yes,
What kind of YouTube videos did you watch?
related to physical transformation
Okay,
and some English videos as well.
nice. Very good. Well, it sounds like a productive and relaxing day then.
Exactly.
Good, good.
And how are you?
I'm good. I actually have been just preparing for my wedding. I get married this weekend, so in a couple
Okay.
days.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so that's what my
So,
whole couple weeks has been about is planning for that and preparing things.
okay, so you must have done a lot of shopping.
I have done a lot of shopping. I feel like that's all I've done.
Yes, I love
But
shopping as well.
yeah, shopping is nice, but oh, I feel like I've spent so much money in just a couple weeks, maybe 1 month. Oh.
No problem. This is the only event of your life, so you can spend as much as you want.
Yeah.
So your family members are coming?
Sadly, they can't because they're stuck in the United
Okay.
States. There's no international travel. So I'm going to do a
Hmm.
video call for the ceremony so
Okay.
that they can watch.
So there will be a live session then.
Yeah, there'll be a live stream of it, and then our friends and family that live in this country will be here.
I wish it will be a memorable day for you.
Thank you. I'm sure it will be. I had a fancy mask made because we still have to wear masks
Oh,
here.
really?
And my fiance got a nice one too, so it'll be a funny day.
I think it will become a trend to have a groom and bride's fancy mask.
Yeah, I think it will be too.
The other day, I saw some masks with cartoons printed on them.
Yeah,
So they were specially made for children.
yeah. I've seen some of those that have like the favorite cartoons of like the very
Yes,
popular ones. I've seen some other ones that just have like they look like a face. So it looks like someone took a
yes,
picture of a face and then they put it on the mask so it looks like
yeah.
you're not wearing one and things. Yeah, I think
And there are some masks with a skeleton as well.
yeah, with the skeleton. I just bought this one. This is so I live in Guatemala and this was handmade with like a typical Guatemalan print. Um
It looks awesome.
yeah,
The
it's
design is good.
yeah, I don't like the way it fits, so I haven't actually worn it, but it's really pretty. When you
Okay,
wear
that's
how
good.
do you wear a mask every time you go out?
I have a mask, but I have a surgical mask.
Yeah, that's what
You
I
must
use
have
most
seen.
of the time. Yeah.
Yes.
Like
So
yeah.
even
Like this
uh,
one?
yes, exactly. So when we go to mosque or when we go to gym, it is mandatory to wear mask. And even in the shops, we cannot enter without wearing it.
That's
They
good.
do not allow us to enter. Yes,
So do you find it difficult to work out with the mask on? I've heard some people say that it's hard.
exactly. We have problem in breathing
Yeah.
when we wear mask
Hmm.
during workout. And but our trainer told us yesterday that you can slightly you can remove it
Oh,
and
like
do
below
it
your
while
nose.
yes below your nose
Okay.
and continue your work.
Okay.
So we will apply this method today.
Okay. Yeah. So what time is it right now?
It's 4:45
Oh, okay.
in
So
the evening.
later in the day, you will go to the gym for your lesson today?
Exactly.
Okay.
After almost 1.5 hour.
Okay, nice. And
Because we go on foot, and it is not very far away. It takes 15 minutes walk.
nice.
But the problem is that I took admission before, but I was not able to continue it. I was not persistent enough to continue. I quit after 1 month, and even I paid the fees for 6 months.
Oh no.
But yes, I quit. And this time I have paid the fees for the whole year.
Now you have to stay committed to it.